Please go back to my previous videos, my former videos, and learn. Watch them and learn. Come to new ones too. Go back to my new videos and learn. Go back and learn. Go and watch them. Watch my former videos. You will gain a lot from there. You will gain. You will know how to sharpen clipper blade very well. Go there and watch. This is KIKI clipper blade. Can you see it? I want to resharpen it. This is the upper blade. Can you see it? So let us watch the way I want to sharpen a set of KIKI clipper blades. Putting of the masking tape at the back of upper and the bottom clipper blade. Putting the masking tape at the back of the bottom clipper blade. You have to press it well so that the masking tape will hold very well. The reason why we are putting the masking tape is to allow easy breathing so that the thumb can be able to control it up and down. Can you see this? I will tell you more about this one later. These are biscuit balls. Can you see it? You see the way I rub it to cover the whole surface of the super hard manual sharpening, so to cover all. See another treatment again, and now use my finger to spread it all over the surfaces again. Can you see it? To cover the whole surface. Can you see? I try to clean my finger. Then I'm starting from the upper clipper blade. Can you see the surface before I start? You see it? Yeah. At the angle of 45 degrees. So I'm starting from here. I will go to and fro 10 times. That is to and fro 10 times. Then I'll now come back here. Another to and fro 10 times again. Yeah, I'll now pick it. I'll clean it very well. Then I want you to take note of something. Can you see the gap here? Look at the gap. It is only this place and this place is going to lay on top of the bottom clipper blade at the back. Yeah, in the front, completely lay out of the inner surface of the upper clipper blade on top of the bottom clipper blade. Can you see the way I've sharpened it now? Can you see it? Everything has signed across. It has signed across. Can you see the surface? Everything has signed across. Can you see it? Can you see it? It has signed across and flatten, because you have to flatten all the surface by sharpening, and at the same time the shining have to cover all the surfaces. Let us go to the bottom clipper blade. I will tell you more about this one later, not in this tutorial. Try to follow me up. The meaning of what I'm doing. Yeah. Using of the biscuit bone to scrub the whole surface. Can you see? It covers all. It covers all. Now this is another treatment. Can you see? We now spread it all over the surface. Can you see it to cover all again? And I'll clean my thumb, clean my fingers. Now pick the bottom clipper blade. Can you see the surface now before the sharpening? This clipper blade have been used up. Can you see the line? Let me show you one thing here. Look at this portion. Come like this. Then let me show you again. Look at this portion. Let me show you very well. Here, this rectangular form, or this inner surface of this small blade. Then when you now divide it here again, from this place I position my pointer to the front, that is one step. From here to here, that is another step. Try to understand me. From here to the front, one step. Then from here to here is another step. Then from here, cover here is another step. Can you see? Here and here now are the same. So we have 3 steps now in the surface of this bottom clipper blade. Can you see? So let's go now for the sharpening. So I'm using the angle of 45 degrees. Let me start from here. See the place I want to place my thumb. Here for first time, here for the second time. Let's go. That is to and fro 10 times. At the angle of 45 degrees. See where I want to place my thumb. That is to and fro 10 times again. Let us clean it and see what is going on. Yeah, can you see it now? The sharpening has covered here. Cover here, from here. See the place I'm covering now. Then cover this bigger blade here. Cover this bigger blade here. Come form U shape in the front. U shape in the front. Then covers here. So this black area now, the inner surface of this small blade, this inner area, this rectangular form. Yeah, the blade has not touched. Let's go again. Spread your treatment very well to cover the whole surface. So let's go again. I'm starting from here now. To and fro 10 times. So I'm coming back here now. Yeah, let us clean and watch what is going on again. So we have to be making it little by little so that the learner can really understand the meaning of sharpening. Yeah, watch now. The sharpening covers the whole back here. Then when you watch from here, it has now reached here. You see? Here like this. Then cover here. This bigger blade here and this bigger blade here. So it's now extending to the front little by little. Now I place my hair before, my thumb here before here before. Now shift to the front. I go a little to the front. Go a little to the front. Here before, and now come here. Come here again, just a little bit to the front. Let us clean and see what is going on. Yeah. Let us watch. That is why I tell you, say, sharpening of the clipper blade is logic. It's technical. It's strategies. It's system by system, step by step. Can you see now, when you watch this back now, the sharpening take effect well at the back. Then when you now watch here now, try to look carefully. See the way I'm going. See the way I'm going, reach here. Here like this, reach here. Try to watch carefully. This portion I'm covering. Then now cover here. This bigger blade here at the angle here, and this bigger blade here at the angle here. Can you see? But when you now watch carefully, let me see. We capture it again. Look at this black area here. See this black area. Yeah, and this black area here. The stone has not touched it. The stone has walked across to the, when from here like this, reach here, it has walked across the edge of the clipper blade here. Remain this side and this side now. How are you going to sharpen that area? That is where we are going now. This area now, you want to sharpen it. This area, you want to sharpen it. The stone has not touched here. 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 Then when you, let me put it down first. The treatment first. The treatment is very, very important. You cannot do without treating the surface of the super hard manner sharpening stone. You cannot do without it, because this is what is taking effect, giving the sharpening. It is just in form of catalyst to speed up the rate of the sharpening, chopping. That is construction of the iron. The sharpening construction. This is what is giving it the effective to make it faster and sharp and neat. Yeah. Remain this angle, remain this angle. All this back here now have been sharpened. Then when you watch the center here, the sharpening has covered the center. Remain this angle. See this angle I'm touching, this angle, this angle. How are you going to correct it? This one here and here. You position your thumb here, you position your thumb here. Let's go. See the way. This number 1, this number 2, this number 3. This number 1, this number 2, this number 3. Let's go now. Can you see the way I position my thumb? Yeah, here again at the angle of 45 degrees. That is to and fro 10 times. Let us clean and watch. Let us clean now and watch. Gaga. Yeah, let us watch carefully. Try to understand what I'm trying to fashion out. I do this thing slowly, step by step, so that the learners can be able to really understand the real meaning of sharpening. Can you see everything has shined across? Yeah, it has shined across. What is carefully, very, very flatty. When you look at the flatness, see the way I hold my pointer. When you look at the flatness like this, can you see? Can you see it? Can you see it? It has been flattened. The shining has covered the whole surface. At the same time, the flatness has shown throughout the inner surface of the clipper blade. Can you see it now? So now let us put it into test. Let us put the upper and the bottom clipper blade to test. Morning, sir. How's my friend? Come on, there's no problem. So I'm using free and testing styling mode now to test You want to confirm the sharpening, whether the work we are doing is correct or it's not correct. Yeah, freehand testing study mode. Once you can test using this system, and the carbon that's supposed to show the sign, the carbon sign really show from one side to the other in the inner surface of the hopper and the bottom clipper blade in the front and in the back. Take note. This is freehand testing styling mode. See the way I position the hopper blade on top of the bottom clipper blade. Can you see the way I position it? Now be using the thumb here to press it down a little, and now again to be shifting it from one side, pushing it from one side to the other. Can you see it? So you now press it with little pressure as if it is mounted in the clipper engine. Can you see it? So that is how to be testing. That is how to test. That is freehand testing study mode. To test manually whether the clipper blade is sharpening correctly or not. When you test in this way, you are able to get that sign. Your clipper is sharpening, the clipper blade is sharpening correctly. The hopper and the bottom clipper blade is good. Yeah, but when you sharpen, the normal sign you supposed to get did not come out. You need to repeat your sharpening again. This what I'm doing now is giving me the guideline. Yeah, it's giving me the guideline to see where it has been sharpened correctly, where it has not been sharpened, whether the clipper blade is sharpened correct or it's not sharpened correct. But before we go start to remember, I always say it nowadays. Go back to my former tutorials, the previous one I've produced. Go back to my previous tutorial. If you want to know how to sharpen clipper blade very well, go back and watch different of my YouTube videos. Go back and watch. They are very, very valuable. What I produced in the past. What I produced in the past. The previous videos I produced, I can never produce the type again. I cannot be repeating the same type of video in my YouTube channel. One topic, one video. One topic, one video. Go back to my previous videos. Go and watch and learn if you want to become a real professional. That is the logic. I'm gingering you. Giving you the garlic. So go back to my previous videos. You want to learn. Don't depend on the new ones. When you depend on the new one, you can only acquire 20% knowledge. Not that I will not gain, you will gain. But 20% knowledge. But when you try to go back into previous tutorials, that is where you can acquire the best of the knowledge. Now follow it up to the new ones. Yeah. This is Master Barber's Hotel. One and only Master Barber's. Let me remove this one first. One and only Master Barber's Hotel throughout the world. Let us watch now. See what I'm saying? Can you see the inner part of the clipper blade? Can you see it? The reason why there is gap here, I've shown you initially. Can you see the back of the blade? There's gap there. Can you see the inner surface of the upper clipper blade? Everything black across with carbon. Can you see it? Look at it very well. Please go back to my former tutorials. Go back to my previous tutorial if you want to learn, if you really want to understand the nature of sharpening very well. Can you see it? This is how to test. When you test and you see this kind of sign, my subscribers, my viewers, my people, everything has covered up. Can you see it? It has shown carbon from left hand to the right, which means the upper and the bottom clipper blade are sharpened correctly. Can you see it now? You see the sign, which means if you can sharp and you test and you are able to get this kind of sign, you are a real professional in sharpening of clipper blades. You are a real professional. Yeah, can you see it? That is why I'm saying go back to my former tutorials. go back to my former tutorials. Yeah, can you see it? This is Master Baba. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel for you to see all my YouTube videos. Subscribe to my channel for you to see all my YouTube videos I produce in my channel. Press the notification button for you to be receiving my notification as soon as I release new videos. That is because of the new videos. You want to be seeing the new videos I'm producing. You press the notification bell, that small bell beside subscribe. Press it. Do not change into 3 bells. Press the one at the top, the one on the right, printed inside the white color. Press it, which means as soon as I release my video, you will be the number one to see my video. Then when you subscribe, the subscribe means to see all my channel. 8% of my videos I produce, you will see all. Here, you can be able to click and watch. That is it. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. If you want to understand the real meaning of sharpening, go back to my former tutorial, the previous tutorial I produced. Go back to them and watch. There are plenty. All I designed them to solve your problems. Any question you design, you will see the video that match the answer. Thank you, sir. Thank you.